Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can equip Flex on Valorant. So to do that, you are going to go to the collection tab, and then under the spray you don't want, you're just going to select it, go to Flex and equip this one. So select the StatCom, then select equip. Then you're just going to play. I'll just start right now. Press T on your keyboard or whatever button you have for like spray. Select the StatCom one or the Flex one, and you can use like your left mouse button to click on it. Super cool. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!